This is the all-new M3 MacBook Pro in space black. This sleek and powerful MacBook Pro not only captivates with its striking new colour, but also boasts upgraded capabilities that promise an enhanced computing experience. If you're looking for a blend of elegance and performance, this might be the Mac for you. Opening the box of the new space black 14-inch MacBook Pro is a straightforward yet pleasant experience. The packaging is neat and minimal, and as you lift the lid, the MacBook Pro sits right on top, wrapped in its protective layer. The space black finish is a new addition and a colour I have personally been waiting for. In person, space black looks incredible. It adds a touch of sophistication to an already great looking device. If you're wanting to switch things up, this colour is definitely the way to go. Taking it out, you'll immediately notice the solid build quality, the familiar Magic Keyboard and best-in-class trackpad. When it comes to setting up the Mac, things are as intuitive as ever, and the overall unboxing experience is understated, but still manages to convey a sense of quality and craftsmanship that Apple is known for. The design similarities between the space black M3 MacBook Pro and space grey M2 MacBook Pro are unmistakable, with both models sharing identical structures and layouts. The only obvious notable distinction lies in their colour schemes. The space black M3 version, with its deep, lustrous black hue, gives off a modern, elegant look, creating a sleek and sophisticated appearance. On the other hand, the space grey M2 variant, while maintaining the same sleek design, offers a more traditional and subdued aesthetic with its muted grey tone. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to personal preference, with the space black M3 appealing to those who appreciate a bolder, more luxurious look, while the space grey M2 maintains a classic, understated appeal. When placing space black and space grey MacBooks side by side, the deep richness of the space black colour has a way of making the neighbouring space grey shade appear slightly lighter, almost taking on a silver-like tone. This is something you can appreciate more in person. So if you're someone struggling to decide between these two colours, then I would definitely recommend checking these out in person before making a purchase. The overall design of the new M3 MacBook Pro maintains the sleek and minimalist aesthetics that Apple is renowned for. The aluminium unibody construction feels robust yet remarkably lightweight considering the power available, underscoring a commitment to both durability and portability. The slim profile seamlessly integrates with the edge-to-edge Retina display, providing an immersive viewing experience. When it comes to user input, the Magic Keyboard, a mainstay of recent MacBook iterations, offers a comfortable and responsive typing experience. Notably, the addition of advanced thermal architecture for the M3 chip ensures efficient heat dissipation, contributing to sustained performance during demanding tasks. The refined design is not just about aesthetics. It reflects a thoughtful balance between form and function, embodying Apple's dedication to creating a premium yet highly functional device for a diverse range of users. Directing our focus to the screen, the latest MacBook Pro presents a vibrant 14 or 16-inch Retina display dependent on your preference, and introduces a subtle enhancement. With a slight improvement in brightness, the M3 model truly excels in the visual department. For those individuals such as content creators, designers, or those who prioritize superior visuals, the M3's display elevates an already top-tier screen to new heights. My specific Mac boasts a stunning 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, visually striking with a resolution of 3024 by 1964. Its ability to showcase over 1 billion colours positions it as one of the finest displays available, particularly ideal for professionals who rely on having the very best panel for their work. It's noteworthy that for M2 Mac owners, the sole change being the incremental increase in brightness might not justify an immediate upgrade. The MacBook Pro shown in this video features the Apple M3 Pro chip, presenting a nuanced yet noteworthy upgrade. The 11-core CPU, comprising 5 high-performance cores and 6 efficiency cores, suggests a thoughtful balance between power and energy efficiency, catering to a diverse range of computing needs. The 14-core GPU is a significant boost, promising improved graphics performance, particularly beneficial for demanding tasks like creative work and gaming. The introduction of hardware-accelerated ray tracing is an important advancement, enhancing visual realism and precision in graphics rendering. Additionally, the 16-core neural engine reflects a substantial leap in machine learning capabilities, facilitating faster and more efficient execution of AI-related tasks. While these enhancements might be considered a minor upgrade when compared to the M2 chip, it's crucial to note that the M2 is already an extremely powerful chip. The M3 MacBook Pro appears to be designed for users who may not currently own a M2 MacBook Pro, offering a compelling option for those entering the MacBook Pro ecosystem or looking to upgrade from older models. The improvements in the M3 model, although incremental, contribute to an overall enhanced computing experience, ensuring that it remains a competitive and efficient device within the MacBook lineup. The battery life of the new M3 MacBook Pro is a crucial aspect that often significantly impacts user experience. On paper, the M3 has the same battery life as the M2 MacBook Pro, which suggests that Apple has maintained a consistent level of efficiency despite the incremental upgrades in the M3 model. The decision to retain the battery life specs may indicate a focus on optimizing power consumption and performance balance. However, real-world usage often reveals the true capabilities of a device's battery. Factors such as the efficiency of the M3 chip, improvements in power management, and any adjustments in the overall system architecture can influence the actual battery performance. It will be interesting to see how the M3 MacBook Pro holds up in terms of battery life during daily use, and whether there are any notable differences compared to its predecessor. If you're interested in finding out more, then get subscribed and stay tuned for my full review coming soon. In conclusion, the Space Black M3 MacBook Pro proves to be a captivating addition to Apple's lineup, marrying aesthetics with enhanced performance. The unboxing experience unfolds with a sleek design that seamlessly integrates form and function. The space black colour adds a touch of sophistication, making it an appealing choice for those seeking a bolder, more luxurious look. The display, whether in 14 or 16 inches, shines with a subtle brightness boost in the M3 model, especially beneficial for content creators and visual enthusiasts. Under the hood, the M3 MacBook Pro features an incremental but noteworthy upgrade with the introduction of Apple's M3, M3 Pro and M3 Max, all contributing to improved computing capabilities. While the enhancements may be considered a minor upgrade compared to the powerful M2 chip, they cater more towards users entering or upgrading within the MacBook Pro ecosystem. The battery life maintaining parity with the M2 model suggests a focus on efficiency, and while on paper it appears consistent, real-world usage will unveil the true capabilities of the M3 chip. In essence, the M3 MacBook Pro offers a compelling choice for those venturing into the MacBook Pro experience or seeking an upgrade from older models. Stay tuned for the full review as we delve deeper into the performance, user experience, and overall impact of this sleek and powerful Space Black MacBook Pro. If you have any questions about this Mac that have not been answered in this video, then drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.